Hi, this is Sharon. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the February YarnYay subscription box. So here we go. Cute heart paper. Vickie always has paper that matches whatever's in the box or the season. Very cute. And the pattern for February are these cute flared boot toppers. Now, another thing that I don't know if I've mentioned before, but that I love about the patterns that come in this, if you're not thrilled with this pattern, she gives you alternatives and other things that you can either crochet or knit, which because of having CRPS/RSD, whichever you want to call it, in my legs and feet, I don't wear boots, especially not anything with heels. I pretty much wear Uggs or sneakers. So these aren't going to be realistic for me, but I did see a really cute fingerless glove pattern that I'm going to use, and I'll make that with this yarn instead. But like I said, this is a really cute pattern, and she does give alternatives if you want to make something else. So that was that. This is just, I guess, card that you can use with the Pantone colors. This is cute, a little note card. I'm assuming it's going to be blank inside. Yep, with an envelope. Very nice. I don't know that I would be able to use this to write anything in it. It's really pretty. I'll probably just keep it to look at. Oh, all right. I'll do that later. Let's get to the yarn. Jamison's double knitting. It's 25 grams. And we have two colorways. This is color 175 Twilight and color 186 Sunset. It's about 75 meters. Very pretty colors. Let's see what's it made. 100% pure Shetland wool. I was going to say it's not really soft, so it definitely has a wool feel to it. And Sweater Care washing bag. This is great for any kind of knit or crochet projects. My husband knows if there's anything in a bag, if he's doing laundry, he knows that it can go in the washer but not in the dryer. So if any of your spouses do laundry, that might be a quick tip for you to hint to them. If it's in the bag, it does not go in the dryer. So, all right, another great box from Vickie. Thank you, YarnYay, and I will see you in the next video. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed as well. Thanks. Bye. Take care.